So today I'll be showing you how to create a 1x1 Rubik's Cube. So the first thing you'll need is a corner piece from any Rubik's Cube. So I have one right here. And I'm just going to use some scissors, but pliers would be a better idea. I think it's pliers. Anyway, something to cut off part of it. So, we have this corner right here, and so I'm just gonna see how there's this little piece right here. We're gonna cut that off. And okay, I got it off.
And then there were 3 golf balls.
So I'm gonna go in the other room to do this. That's my sister freaking out. Okay, I don't know where to go. Okay, so you have your little piece, and just remove the stickers from it. And there's not that many stickers at all. In my opinion, this is one of the hardest parts, but it's mainly all just. So now, this sticker is already kind of partially off, so I have some sandpaper here. I'm just gonna sand it off so it fully comes off. And but if you can get the full sticker off, then just do that. Okay. Here we go. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Got all the stickers off. So now, since I'm using a piece from a mini Rubik's Cube, I have this little gap right here. And if you have epoxy at your house, please fill it in with that. But if you're like me and you don't, I would just color Play-Doh black. It works. And if it falls out after it's dried, just glue that back in. Here, let's get some Play-Doh. Okay. There you go. So now I'm gonna need a black Sharpie for this. Okay. So, put this right here. Okay. So we have our piece. We have our Play-Doh. It doesn't matter what color. It's just Play-Doh.
You want to watch it on Alex pregnant?
No.
That's my sister.
Alex is boxing game.
My sister is going crazy. Okay. So my first YouTube video that I've ever made, it was really bad and it was really short. The reason I made that is because it was a test to see how YouTube works. Okay. Okay. That looks pretty filled in. So now take your Sharpie. If yours is already filled in, then you don't need to worry about this step. Just paint it black. I like to just dab it. Okay. So this is basically your 1x1. You can start stickering it, even though the Play-Doh is not dry. You can still sticker it. So this, why is there Gorilla Glue here? This is my cube of stickers. It's in horrible shape, but as you can see, I already used it for stickers. So if you don't have any stickers, you can find them on Amazon. And if you cannot get to Amazon, I would just recommend making stickers. So you have to take this off very cautiously because this is attached to paper. Okay, cut this off. Now on this cube it fits perfectly onto it, but you might have to cut it if you need to, but in my case, you can just put that on. See? So I would recommend doing a proper color scheme. So blue is opposite of green, so that's what we're gonna do. Yellow opposite of white, and orange opposite of red. So green sticker. So yeah, I'm just gonna sticker that later, but that is how you make a 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.